Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix camera shutter lag on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button. At the time, click on this restart icon. After click on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on camera. After click on camera, click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache camera app. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system. Click on reset option and click on factory reset. Click on erase all data. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.